Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to contact seller on Fiverr if you have any question about the gigs or the project. First you need to go to fiverr.com and then select the service that you want. If for example I go here, writing and translation, if this gig for example, just click here. I will translate Chinese to English or English to Chinese in 24 hours. And here is the description about the gig, the time, the price, etc, etc. Now, if I want to ask her more question or just I need more information, just you scroll down and you see here contact seller. Just click here. And then just you can type the question here. After that click send. This is what you need to do if you want to contact seller on Fiverr. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.